here, my name's Kristen, and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Today, we are going to be doing the long-awaited balcony makeover. Guys, if you've been following me on Instagram, you will know that I have been shopping like crazy, specifically buying and returning a ton of things. By the way, guys, if you are not doing so already, make sure that you head over to Instagram. My tag is right here. It is at HelloKristenTV. I always post my shopping adventures, my DIY projects, my Amazon hauls, how I'm like redoing all of my home stuff. I always post those on my Instagram story, so make sure that you do go over there and follow me. Again, my tag is at HelloKristenTV. If you want to see the original summer decor haul that started this whole project, I will leave a link to that in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the before of the balcony. There's nothing really here. These chairs and that table are what the apartment complex gave us, so we have to keep them out, and we're not allowed to bring out any other furniture. I think we're not allowed to hang up lights. I did anyway. We're not allowed to hang up curtains or anything hanging, so can't get super crazy with the whole thing, but let's see what we can do. So I am going to just wipe everything down, sweep it all because it's really dusty. Here's the other side. This is the rug that I'm going to be putting down, and yeah.
Every night I hope and pray a dream lover will come my way. Girl to hold in my arms and know the magic of her charms. 'Cause I want girl to call my own. I want a dream lover so I don't have to dream alone.
Yeah, your dream man standing right here. I'll give you this with no strings, puppeteer. I've been on the grind for a minute now, wouldn't even know it's only August and the man of the year.
Dream lover, where are you? Real love, oh so true. And the hand that I can hold, give me as I go old. 'Cause I want girl to call my own. I want a dream lover, so dream lover, dream lover, so dream lover,
Drop it.
Few quick tips when you are decorating your balcony or patio is to one, pick and stick with a theme. Otherwise your balcony may look like this. Nothing really goes. It kind of goes. It looks okay, but no one really understands what you're going for. Not even yourself. So my biggest tip is to pick like one statement piece or one theme or feeling that you want for your balcony. Do you want it to be romantic? Do you want it to be modern? Do you want it to be zen? Do you want it to be eclectic? Whatever it is, pick it and then go start your decorating process. Another thing that I would start with is a big ticket item. In my case, I didn't realize it, but it truly was my rug. My balcony rug is black with a white print on it. It really kind of determines what you can and cannot bring into that space. So the next thing that I want to do are these trellises. So these are actually, you know, like these little gate things, but I got it so that I can try to prevent shark bait from going across this little ledge. So I'm gonna try and use it as like a gate. Okay, so I got the trellis up and I just have it like tied off with some of this jute stuff from the Dollar Tree. So it's held up, it's really strong, it's not gonna blow over, and it'll be really easy to take down when I move out. It'll look really cool with some plants in front of it, and then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Next, we're going to hang this up with some command hooks. Tip number 3, if you're stuck between two options, get them both and return the one you don't like. This has saved me so much time in the past, especially because I am so indecisive. I got the black and tan chair cushions from Walmart, and I actually liked the tan ones at first, but changed my mind a few hours later. If you really want to take your space to the next level, try bringing in something cool and unexpected. I found this water fountain on sale at Michael's for $38 and I was so excited. If water fountains aren't your thing, try adding like a Zen garden or a cool statue or something. I also decided to take down the string lights because they were really cluttering up the space, and I will just bring them back out for Christmas time. Here's the final project, guys, and I am so happy with the way it turned out. I was really struggling in the beginning because I was bringing in too many conflicting ideas, but once I decided that the theme was going to be a modern Zen feeling, it really took off from there. I'm not crazy about the way the trellises look, but I really needed a way to keep the cat from trying to escape to the neighbor's porch. I also have to keep this little porch potty out here for Ollie so he can use the bathroom without going all the way down to the street. And here is the star of the show, the Buddha fountain. It really takes the balcony to a whole nother level, guys. I absolutely love that it lights up and I have it on a timer so it turns on every day at 6 p.m. and off at midnight. I also hung up these little string lights from IKEA on the other side of the door. It looks perfect from the inside and the outside. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.